think your brother's crazy. I just think he's crazy. We weren't talking about you. You can get your toy. Get it. Hey, it's 6 o'clock. Who barks at 6 o'clock? Are you not able to get your toy without barking? Is it resisting arrest? Okay, you can get it. Go get it. Yeah, we're all tired because it's 6 in the morning. We're all really tired. And most of us were asleep until you started this. What? I said most of us were asleep until you started this. Do you want your toy now or not? Get it? Oh, he finally captured it. Such a brave hunter. Such a brave hunter. Brave dog. Now we're all awake, huh? Now we're all awake. Great life. Bedhead.